so this is the final walkthrough. As you can see, the paint and that agreeable gray from Sherwin-Williams has now been done. It looks really, really good, especially with the white trim. And they did ceilings as well. And again, I kind of like how we mentioned before, this is kind of like our go-to for all projects because this agreeable gray does really look really well with a lot of different people's aesthetic. But yeah, as you can see again, after we took down, the pictures and things that were hanging on the walls, we did a lot of patchwork. And now you can see that all this is now nicely finished. And painting was done all throughout the house. So every room got painted. New light fixture here. You can also see that the carpets are now in. And then, again, in the bathrooms, the tubs were resurfaced, but, more paint. The resurfaced tub. I believe before this one gets listed, the last thing we got to do here is just have some cleaners come through and do a good cleaning. With the new HVAC system too, especially for it to be in the middle of summer, it feels good in here. You can see that again, the stairs were, carpet was done, and the walls. This bathroom, paint was done. And then the appliances are now in. So we did stainless steel appliances. And as a reminder, we also got the countertops replaced. Water fixture there is new. So, it's updated enough. And, if the next owners want to change out the backsplash and paint these cabinets, they can. But, the more expensive things, especially countertops and new appliances, have already been done. And then they could adjust things to fit their preferences. Laundry room has also been painted. And then going upstairs, got carpet all up here throughout. Looks like the doors were painted as well. But there's 2 bedrooms up here. Everything's been painted. Again, this room too. And then with this bathroom again, resurfaced the tub and painted the walls. So yeah, really excited to see what this house goes for. We'll keep you guys posted. But this should be going on the market hopefully within the next 2 weeks. And then we'll move on to our next project.